I mean, yeah, we're seeing real problems with porch pirates all over the city.
It's a weird, wild world out there. That's why I chose Kangaroo Home Security to keep my family safe.
Kangaroo's front door security kit comes with all this for only $99.
Why, I spent more on these dazzling pants.
That price includes professional monitoring and equipment. I can arm, disarm, monitor cameras right from the app.
Huh? Who the is on my porch?
I know you're probably like, oh, but I can't install a home security system. Literally, you can. Kangaroo's app makes it super easy. Just follow the steps in the app and you'll be set up in minutes. No tools or technical know-how required. And living alone, I feel a lot safer knowing I'm protecting myself.
Protecting my mom.
Protecting my children.
Protecting our children.
Get Kangaroo's front door security kit plus a full year of professional monitoring for only $99 at HeyKangaroo.com.